welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're to my channel, welcome. My name is xxxx and thank you so much for joining my beautiful family. I really do hope that not only are you going to stay, but also you're going to subscribe and become a part of the J family. And to all my returning subscribers, honey, welcome back to the squad. So welcome back to another Vlogmas episode. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas 2023. Sana, I think it's going well so far. So in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys along my at-home self-care routine. I really love, like, you know, pampering myself, doing my toes, taking care of my teeth, my brows, my skincare, you know, all of that. So I'm going to be bringing you guys along all of that. I'm really excited. I haven't done one of these in quite some time. So I was like, you know, let's take some time out just to spend some time with myself, you know, do the things that I really love, the things that make my heart jump, you know. So I was like, perfect opportunity to bring you guys along. I really hope you guys are excited as much as I am. If you are, you already know what to do. Give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, click the links down below so you can follow me not only on Instagram but also on TikTok, and also click the notification bell so you can get notified every single time I drop. We are dropping Vlogmas episodes every Tuesday and every Friday, so click the notification bell so you can get notified when we drop, okay, so that you can never fall behind. Do you understand? Great. So I'm really excited, Sana, and let's not waste any further time. Grab a drink, grab a snack, let's get straight into it. So first, I'm going to be starting with my teeth, and I've currently been obsessed with the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. I've been influenced specifically by kgolanemmola, darling, and I asked my mom, I was like, Mama, please get the entire range. I just want to see what it's about. So I'm going to start off with brushing my teeth, just to start things off the right way. And next up, I'm going to be moving on to my eyebrows. I believe in doing my eyebrows by myself simply because I feel like I know exactly how I want them to be done and how I want them to look. So why not do it myself? So now I'm going in with tweezers, a spoolie, and a scissor just to, you know, get that shape out of my eyebrows. And right after that, I like to go in with my Lifebuoy charcoal bar soap to cleanse my face. It has literally been doing wonders for my skin, and I like to wash my face using my hands simply because I don't want to irritate my skin any further. My skin is extremely sensitive, and lately it has been going through a lot, so I don't want to aggravate it even further. And I just wash my face. People on TikTok say you must wash your face for 2 minutes, so that's exactly what I've been doing. Not sure how true that is. Let me know down below in the comments, but that's exactly what I've been doing. And yeah, I just like to wash my face first to remove any impurities before we apply our face mask. And then after that, I like to go in with a face cloth just to pat dry all of that before we go in with our face mask. And for my face mask, I'm going in with the Freeman Rejuvenating Clay Mask with cucumber and pink Himalayan salt. This face mask has literally become one of my favorites simply because I feel like although it unclogs pores, it doesn't leave my skin feeling stripped of all its natural moisture. Then once I'm done applying the face mask to my heart's content, I like to leave it on for about 15 to 25 minutes. And then once it has completely dried up into my skin, I like to wash it off in the shower. Then for the shower, I'm going in with some bubble bath and some exfoliating gloves for my body just to get rid of all that dead skin. And then right after, I'm going in with this Caribbean sugar scrub to not only give my legs that golden tan but also to exfoliate. And then I'm using the Nivea cocoa butter. One thing about me, Sana, I believe in Nivea, okay? Right after moisturizing my body, I like to go in with the Curate Lifting Collagen Mask for my face, just to give my face that, you know, glow and that moisture. Because one thing about Korean skincare, it will do what it says, okay? So I just like to apply this sheet mask on my face. When I apply this face mask, sometimes I like to listen to music, sometimes I like to sing my heart out, okay? But other times I like to just sit in my own thoughts, think about things that made me happy, things that made me upset, and sort of have that conversation with myself and sort of spend time with myself and in my thoughts.
Body man, nobody like work, but you must hustle if you want job. You know, finish the whole fight us. If them they run, then I fake a job. I know they come say I do what I trust. Look on them come say.
Thereafter, I changed into some comfortable clothes and I just kept my face mask on because you know what, it was literally giving. I was having the time of my life, and you know what, I love that for me because one thing about self-care days, they will turn your mood around, okay? Then once I've removed the mask, I like to rub in the excess product into my skin. And one thing about Korean skincare, it will skin. I was feeling like a glazed donut, okay? Then did my ears and changed my earring to the statics, because one thing about statics, baby, they're the girlies they think they are. Then cooked a bit of some food because cooking is one of my absolute favorites. Cooked some spaghetti bolognese and then took some time out to sit and journal my thoughts, my feelings, and just take some time to be with myself. Then later on into the night, I spoke to my grandmother, one of my absolute favorite people in the whole wide world. I love her so much and I admire her wisdom so much. I think that's why I get a little bit of mine. And she gave me some advice on a couple of topics, and you know, we just bought, you know. And I know that I can't get caught up. Then I decided to eat after all of that emotional stuff, decided to eat, and after a while I decided, you know what, let me fix my toenails. So that's exactly what I did, and I did this while watching Kissing Booth. I had never watched it before, so I was like, you know what, let's watch it. And I was in love. I loved it so much, guys. It literally, I nearly cried, but it was so beautiful. Like, one thing about love, guys, here's to love, actually. Thinking about you isn't helping. Thinking about you doesn't tell me what could you do if I decide to face the truth. It could have been right, but I only think about you and you only hit me up. Then my dad decided to spoil his daughter and get her some tongue wings. Listen, tongue wings are my absolute favorite, so that's exactly what we did, and I enjoyed them while sitting on my bed and watching Kissing Booth. Listen, guys, when I tell you I was obsessed, exactly that. And after watching Kissing Booth, I moved on to watching a series on Prime called The Summer I Turned Pretty. And The Summer I Turned Pretty and Kissing Booth sort of follow the same storyline, really. But out of the two, my favorite definitely has to be the Summer I 23. Everything about that series was just amazing. And I just so you guys know, I'm team jellyfish all the way. Like, although I'm team anti-baby, I'm definitely team jellyfish. Like, Bona, perfect couple. But yeah, I absolutely loved it.
I don't think I can take it if you change your mind like last time.
Somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer.